Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. Glad you're with us today. We're going to do a special little one like we do every week here at Vito's. We're going to do Carciofo. Do you know what that is? In Italian, Carciofo. It's artichoke. That's right, it's artichoke. A Mediterranean-based plant that you can eat. Yes, that's right. And I was just thinking about the artichoke. The artichoke, who came up with the artichoke? Artichoke. I know people say, Artie must have choked. I don't know. But I do know that in that family who discovered it, there was Artie and Sid. There's Artie and Sid Choke. And I don't know how Artie got the name. I guess Mom liked him best. I don't know. But we're going to show you how to do it today the way I do it. I know that a lot of people like breadcrumbs on the artichoke. They stuff it and they like that. And it kind of looks pretty in that. And I'm not saying it doesn't taste good, because it does, but you get a lot of breading when you eat it. And you know, the beautiful thing about an artichoke is a carciofo is just the taste of it. It's just a wonderful taste. There's a way to do it. There's a way that I do it, and I'm going to show you. But first, what we're going to do right now, as you can see the artichokes, come on, just take a nice little shot of those. Whoa, look how gorgeous these are. Look at that. Look at those artichokes. Isn't that great? Yeah, okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of them, and we're going to go over to the sink, and we're going to wash them, and we're going to put some water inside, and I'll dump the water out, and then we're going to go over to the stove top, and I'll show you what I do there. So here we go. Here we go. All right, I put a little bit of water happening. You take off the labels. You get to see these labels. You get the labels from the store. Shows the freshness, and you can put it here if you want to. If you don't want to have a place to throw it away. But for now, I'm going to take it off, and I'll put it over here. And what I do is I just rinse them. Come on in. Put water down in there because sometimes there's some dirt and stuff, and I like to do this. It kind of helps hydrate them. You know how we all have to be hydrated, right? Okay, and then what I do is I put it over here just to kind of drain it a little bit. And we're going to do the same to this one right here, okay? Same thing. There you go. Isn't this fun? Remember to hydrate your artichokes, your carciofo, okay? Artie will appreciate it. Well, I know Sid will anyway. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the artichokes right here, and they're going to be a little bit wet. We're going to go over to the stovetop, and I'm going to spin around like this, okay? And I'm going to put them here just for now. And this is what I use. This is my separator. I'm going to put them in the water that I already have here. I'll go ahead and turn it on. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it down inside. And what it does is it gives it a little bit of a base there. Now, normally what I do is I will chop off these stems, but I don't need to today because there's enough room in the pan. I'm just going to do 2 of them. And I put usually one like this. Can you see this? Come on in. Put one like this. And I put one like this, just like so. And it's good, and I have it on high heat right now. And then I put my lid on top because we want to make sure we steam them and keep the heat inside so they cook very well. And I'll tell you a little bit later on how to tell when they're really done. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to set my watch to 1 hour. I usually do 1 hour and 5 minutes, but I think with these I'm just going to do 1 hour because I just want to do 1 hour and see if they're done, okay? So go away. Yeah, that's okay. Go away and come back in 1 hour. No, just stay with us because I'll go ahead and edit this for TV. Thanks for joining us here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember, go ahead and subscribe here on YouTube. And thank you so much for all the subscriptions. We're almost at 12,000 subscriptions. Maron, I love it. Salute, everybody. Stand by. Artichoke, carciofo from the Mediterranean. Artichoke, carciofo. Okay, I know I told you in an hour I'd see you, in TV time it's just a second or 2, but I wanted to also tell you that you got to kind of watch the water level when it's boiling in there and steaming. So that's what we're going to do right now is we're going to go look, so come and join me. Here we go. So here's how I do it. Just look like this, and the water level looks pretty good right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and add just a little bit more water just to make sure because we do not want them to dry out. We don't want them to dry out, okay? And that's all I wanted to do this round. We'll see you in about maybe 40 more minutes, my time. Okay, it's time to show you one more little thing. Okay, it's very simple. What you do is you turn them, and we're going to do that. Remember, this is really hot. Okay, so I use my handy dandies, and they come on in. And all I do is just turn it over like that. The other side, okay? And the other side, okay? See that? All right, it's time to peek in on them and see how they're doing. Like I said, You got to periodically put a little water in there sometimes. But for right now, let's just go check and see if the leaves come out easily. That's how you test it. Come on, let's go look. There we go. We're going to test it right here. See if it comes out. Not, oh, it does come out good. Look at it. Look at that. It came out real easy. But I think I'm going to give it another 2 minutes of boiling. Okay, so come on back. Okay, it's that time. I believe they're done. Let's go check it out. Come on. There we go. And I'm going to turn the gas off. And come on in here. Remember what I did before? I did to do this to test it. And there, look how easy that came out. Look at that. See how easy that came out? Yep, they're done all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take them out. And what I do is I make sure I drain them. See the water coming out like that? Make sure you drain them pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in here, just like so. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Make sure you drain it like that. There we go. And I'm going to put that one over here, just like so. Okay. Then I'm going to place this back. I'm going to take this. I'm going to come on over. Whoa, look at that. Look up. I'm going to come to you. Look at that. Woo! That's gorgeous. I mean, these things are delicious. I've had these ever since I was a kid. My mom used to do it. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do right now. Just for right now, I'm going to take one out, put this one over here like so, and I'm going to go ahead and get my knife, and I'm going to cut off. This is a fibrous part of the plant. I'm taking that off like that. Oh, it looks like it came apart like that. But that's okay. It happens, okay? Anyway, what I'm going to do is, I'll put this over here for now. Okay. It should cut clean, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to take this, put it in my bowl like that. Look how gorgeous that looks in there. Isn't that neat? Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And before I start on this, I'm going to show you what I got over here. I got a little bit of mayonnaise right here. Or you could use Miracle Whip. And over here is some melted butter right here. And this is a salted butter. What I do in here is if I use mayonnaise or I use Miracle Whip or whatever, I could put a little lemon in there if you like lemon. Lemon's good on this. And what you do is you take off a leaf. Come on in, I'm going to show you. And I'm going to take a leaf off like this. Now, do you see this part right down here? You see this part right here? This is the meat right here. See that? And what you do is you take that, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dip it in my mayonnaise right here. And then I come in and I scrape it across the bottom or the top of my teeth, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Is that delicious? It's meaty, too. See how it looks? It's all scraped like that. So what you do with that, come over, just drop it in the bowl, okay? And you do it over and over again. I'm going to do another one right now. Whoa, wow. And ooh, watch out. They're pretty hot. And by the way, watch out for the top here. They have these little prickly things on top. They're like thorns almost, but looks like they're all down now. But look at it. See that meat on there? Look at that. Can you see that? Isn't that great? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead. Now I'm going to use butter. I'll use the butter on this one. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, I wish you were here. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Anyway, what you do is, I'm going to just get right to it, okay? So, normally you wouldn't do it like this, but what you do, I want to show you guys, is you pull them all out, okay? As you go. You do it as you go. I got to do one more. I'm gonna do the butter again. I got to do the butter again. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, God. Get out of here. Not you. Not you. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take these down, okay? Come on in. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go and take it down. You do this one by one, okay? Woo, those are really warm. You eat them one by one, just like that. You serve these up. The people will just enjoy the hell out of them. All right, now I peeled off all the leaves, and I'm getting down to where you don't want any more of those leaves, and then you're going to take off the big part. And I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so I'm going to take the last one off. Well, I got to eat that. I'm just going to eat it plain. Oh, God, they're so great. Okay, now, because it's hot, I got a little bit of a cloth here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to it like this, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I get my spoon. This is a tablespoon. This is how I do it. First of all, I got to take this down like this. I take it off. Look at that. See? See how that looks? You can get in there, right? You got that? Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to bring this and get rid of that. And then this is the fibrous part right here, okay? So what you do is remember it's hot, as you can see it's steaming. So what you come in and you get it like this, and you go around the circumference of it, just like so. Look at that. And it falls off the top, okay? Look at that. Look. Woohoo. Look at that. See what I just did there? Look at this. Ah, that's really hot. See the fibrous part? You don't want to eat that. That'll stick in your throat and make you choke, okay? So what you do is you take this, you get rid of that, and you come back, and now you have the heart. See the heart right here? Look at this. This is the heart, okay? Look at that, it's beautiful. That's the part you want to get to. So we'll go over here, and I'm just going to do it just like this for you guys. And I'm just going to get my knife, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it into fourths, just like so, just like that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and do the other artichoke, and I'm going to put them together, and I'll show you a final thing, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take another dip into the old mayonnaise or butter, okay? So stay with me for a second. Okay, I've taken off all the fibrous stuff. We got it on the inside. I cut them into quarters. I have my butter and my mayonnaise right here, or Miracle Whip, or whatever you decide to dip with. And this is what they look like. I know, that's the way they are. And they're so delicious. These are artichoke hearts, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and try. That's what she looks like. Look at that. And now tonight, I'm gonna just go in the butcher. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be dangerous. I'm gonna go into the mayonnaise too. So I got butter and mayonnaise. Here we go. Wow. Did I say wow? Wow! You guys are gonna love these. Vito's Italian Cucina, artichokes. This is how I do it. It's how my mom used to do it. No breadcrumbs. You got just the full flavor of the artichoke, the Carciofo. Okay, that's in Italian. Remember, it's from the Mediterranean region. Artichokes, Artie and Sid, choke, right? Of course, Artie gets the head billing. You know. Thanks for joining us at Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember to come and subscribe. Vito's ItalianCucina.com and on YouTube. Come and subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us again. Ciao for now. Arrivederci.